Well, YouTube, I finally did it. This is Chop. Welcome to my channel. Hope this video finds you in good spirits. As you can see, I finally broke down and got the tour pack. I got the Chop tour pack. I did not get it from Harley. I got it from Advanblack. I think it turned out perfect. I struggled with whether or not I really wanted to get the tour pack because I don't really take a lot of long trips. So I'm not a huge fan of the King tour pack, so I knew I didn't want the King tour pack. I don't plan on riding across country, so I don't need all that storage. But this here is the Chop tour pack. So the King tour pack would have been a little bit too big for me. The Razor is too small, like a pizza box. I'm not a fan of that one. But I think the Chop tour pack is the perfect size. Just to give you an idea, I mean, you can fit, as obviously I don't have a liner in mine yet or anything, but you can fit a half helmet in it, nice and comfortably. Got a couple extra ball caps in there, but so you can fit a half helmet in there. I'm wearing my full face helmet, of course, because I got the GoPro today, but you cannot fit a full face helmet in the Chop tour pack. Half helmet goes in very nicely. Full face, not so much. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. I've always liked how the Chop tour packs look on these bikes. I think it makes it look longer, it stretches it out a little bit. I didn't want the wraparound backrest on it. I just wanted that small little stubby backrest. I like how that looks. It may not be as comfortable as the wraparound, but again, I don't really ride two up all that much. I don't take long trips, so when it comes to the tour pack, I'm mostly going for aesthetics than functionality. Now, if I rode with someone two up all the time and we were going on long trips and staying overnight and everything, then, you know, something with a King tour pack would have been the choice for that type of riding, but that's not the type of riding that I do. So, Chop tour pack, Advanblack. Shout out to those guys. I've gotten a few things from Advanblack, and it's always turned out just great. I mean, color match is spot on. Quality is decent. And for damn near half the price, if you were to get it from Harley, I mean, I don't know. For me, it's a no-brainer. That's the way to go, unless you just want to be able to say, yep, I got all my stuff from Harley. Well, some people, that's important. You want to be able to say that. To me, it's not as important. So, Advanblack. Anyway, we're going to take a little quick ride to breakfast. It's a Sunday morning. So we're going to do our Sunday morning breakfast ride to my favorite breakfast spot. It's about a 45-minute ride. Eat breakfast. 45-minute ride back. I'll take some footage of the ride. Not a lot, maybe about 15 minutes worth, just so in case you want to watch a little bit of riding. I know sometimes that type of thing gets boring. Not everybody wants to sit there and watch rides. I do. I watch other people ride all the time, you know, in their videos, but I know now a lot of people don't like that, but I'm gonna record some anyway. I don't know why I'm putting that on. Gotta mess with the phone. So here we go. GoPro, stop recording.